Hey everyone! I just wanted to jump on here really quick at the beginning of the video to thank you all for subscribing to me. And I also wanted to make a confession. I have for sure bit off more than I can chew. When I first started this project, I was really gung-ho, and this is my first time doing any kind of trying to use up makeup. So, I've really picked way too many items for this being my first year project panning. So I wanted to apologize ahead of time if there's not a ton of progress that you're seeing. I know the last time I updated you all was probably back in June or July, and I'm a stay-at-home mom. I mean, I could wear makeup here at home all the time and be glam, but I don't know. I mean, I really enjoy these things that I have, and I don't know. For you stay-at-home moms, do you wear makeup at home? Just wear it around the house? I mean, anyways, I also wanted to apologize about if there's any breaks in this video. I have a really bad cough and I really kind of can't control it. So I'm sorry about that in advance if there are cuts in this video, but I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and I will show you where I'm at on everything. And hopefully at the end of this project I will have a lot more progress to show you all. I am really going to dig down and try to hit pan at least one eyeshadow. I mean, one. So let's go ahead, turn the camera around, and I will show you where I'm at. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is show the couple of things that I did finish. One of the things is skincare, so I guess you could say it's empty. But I did finish this little Clinique Happy perfume. I can't get it to spray anymore. And I had this at the beginning of my project back in February. And I did finish it. I do have a full-size bottle, so... But I'm glad to have that done and gone. It was a pretty big sample. And also, I finished off this Clinique Rinse Off Cleanser. This took a long time to finish, just because a little bit went a long way. But I'm glad to be done with it. It did dry my skin out really bad. So, it's really good to be done with that. I am going to be decluttering and getting rid of a few things. First thing is this Smashbox Photo Finish primer. I've used almost all of it, like I have to really squeeze to get any out. And it just doesn't really do anything for my makeup. I mean, I've been using it for the whole year and I don't notice any difference at all. So I'm going to say goodbye to this. I am currently using their Photo Finish Primerizer, I think. And I really like it because I have dry skin right now. So goodbye to this. I'm also saying goodbye to this blush and bronzer. I haven't used it since the last update, mainly because the blush is really old and something's up with it, like it oxidizes on my face. It looks really orange on me, and I've had this since 2012 or 2013, and it's just time to let go of this. So I'm going to call this done. The bronzer was just way too dark for me. So, but that's goodbye to this. The next thing that I am done with, I tried so hard to hit progress on this. Like, I kept focusing on this EOS lip balm from like the front. And then my lips started to break out in blisters after I used this. So I had to quit. I don't know what in the world was happening for me to get blisters, but I think I've done pretty good with this balm. I have a whole nother one to use up, so I don't think I'll be buying these again. They're just really hard to use up. I don't know how people go through them so fast. But I am done with this. Another thing that I'm done with, and I'm going to clean the jar out. I've used it a couple times since my last update. Is this Pixi Correction Concentrate. Again, I've had this since 2012, and I'm just done with it. I'm pretty sure it's went past its expiration date big time. and it's a cream product, so I just don't want to put this on my face anymore. I bought a new Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I've been enjoying that. So goodbye to this. Alright, now on to the other things that I'm not saying goodbye to. I guess the next thing that I've had the most progress on is this Revlon pressed powder, and I am going to repress it. Next time you see it, it'll be repressed, and hopefully I'll have hit pan on it again. But I'm going to insert a photo of where I was last time right now. And this is where I'm at now. This has been moving along really fast. Unfortunately, we're getting into a time of the year when I'm too light to wear this, and it's just going to be too dark. But I will try to keep using this because I do want this gone. I have the Rimmel Stay Matte powder to be working on after this, so that's the progress on that. The next thing I have progress on is this Wet n Wild eyeshadow single in Brulee, and I'm starting to get a dip in it. I have been using this under my eyes and on my eyes before my eyeshadow, and I do think next time I see you all, I will definitely have hit pan on this. The center there is definitely a dip, so that is exciting. That will be my first eyeshadow that I've hit pan on. The next thing is this Make It Dewy spray. I've been using this and I have no idea how to mark where I'm at. So, just shaking it around, it feels like it might be down to there. I don't know. I don't know how to figure it out, but I'll be using this a lot in the next coming months, just to add some moisture to my skin, because of course this cold, dry weather dries my skin out terribly. But I'm pretty sure this is just, I don't know if this is a full size or a sample, but I'm going to finish this. Now, I haven't been showing this because, I don't know, this thing is really hard to get through. This is a highlighter by Physicians Formula, and it's got a little bit of a dip, but there is a lot in here, and it's heavy. It's going to take a while to finish or even hit pan on this. There's like 5 grams of product. That's not a ton, but I'm going to keep working on it and try to hit pan on it. Okay, the next thing that has a lot of progress is this MAC lipstick in Viva Glam V. And I've been working on this. I forgot how hard it is to finish a lipstick. Seriously, you guys. I've already finished 1 lipstick this year, so if I finish this, that will be 2 lipsticks this year gone. But I have bought more lipsticks, so it's like I'm kind of just not. I think there's a cat hair in there, but yeah. Also, I've been working a lot on this L'Oreal lipstick. This is L'Oreal Fairest Nude. Last time I showed the update, the words were still there, so I've pretty much used it down into the words. And hopefully next time a lot of it will be gone, because I keep this in my purse and use it when I go out. So it's just a really pretty nude, pinky nude lipstick. And the next one is this L'Oreal Balm. And this stuff is pretty easy to go through because it's just so slippery. And there's not a ton left in here. Let's see. And that's all that's left. So I'm going to work on that too. I'm going to focus on this. It doesn't do great on my lips. It wears off really fast, so I figure if I just keep reapplying it during the day like a chapstick, I'll get through it. The next one I think is Rimmel Airy Fairy. And there is a lot left on this lipstick. A lot. So I may hold off on trying to finish this one. I don't want to put too many lipsticks in because, I mean, this was part of it, but I've got so many that I'm trying to get done. And this one I'm taking out because it's just a summer shade. It's just too coral for winter. And it's pretty much new, so. This was Revlon Lover's Coral. Next up is my butter bronzer, which there is progress on this. It definitely has a dip in the center. I use this to contour and bronze, and I also use it down my neck to match my neck to my face and chest. So I'm pretty sure by the time I see you all next, I will hit pan on this bronzer because I love it so much. It smells great. It looks great on my fair skin. So next time, I'm pretty sure I will hit pan on this shade, or this bronzer. And last but not least, drum roll please, we have the Tartelette in Bloom. And when I was saying I bit off more than I could chew, I was ridiculous to think that I could actually hit pan on a new eyeshadow palette that I bought this year. I seriously was nuts. But I'm going to show you the shades that I have been working on. I've been working on Jet Setter and Rocker. And the words are pretty much gone on those. And I've been setting my eyeliner with Smoke Show. And then Funny Girl has a dip, a big dip. And Flower Child also, I've got the words gone on that. And I pretty much just set my eyeshadow with that. But I need to quit doing that because I want to hit pan on Brulee. But that is the progress on my Tartelette in Bloom. I'm most likely going to hit pan on Flower Child first just because I use this with every eyeshadow look I do as my inner corner highlight. It's so reflective, so beautiful, and I love it so, so much. But that was my update for my pan, Project Pan 18 in 2018. I apologize about not being tons of progress. Again, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I don't have a job, and it's really hard to use makeup every day when I don't go out every day. But I will make sure to have lots of progress next month, or not next month. My next update will be at the end of December, just to give me time to use more stuff. But thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you all soon, and thank you for subbing.